If you're trying to pick the best terminal app for your workflow, here's a quick breakdown of Ghostty, Kitty, and WezTerm, three powerful GPU accelerated terminal emulators. Ghostty is the newest of the three, made by the team behind WA. It's GPU accelerated, super fast, and designed for modern users who love minimal responsive interfaces. It handles multiple tabs with ease and zero lag. Still early in development, but definitely one to watch if you enjoy cutting edge tools. Kitty is a long-time favorite among power users. Also GPU powered, it's known for its crisp rendering and performance. One major advantage is its built-in window splitting, so you can avoid tools like Tmux. It's super customizable and keyboard friendly, but setup might be a bit much for beginners. WezTerm, often called the Swiss Army knife of terminal apps, is cross-platform and highly configurable. Written in Rust, it's both stable and efficient. It supports ligatures, tabs, multiplexing likes, SSH integration, and much more. It's ideal if you want a deeply powerful, flexible terminal. Final verdict: go with Ghostty if you want sleek, modern simplicity and performance. Choose Kit if you value customization and don't mind a learning curve. Pick WezTerm if you need robust features, cross platform support, and serious power.